Good evening, future Raiders. My name is Scott Cook and I'm the proud principal here at Riverdale High School. I want to welcome you to our School Choice Open House. Now, I know all of you are looking for the ultimate high school experience. Well, I'm here to tell you, whatever it is that you want to get involved with, you can here. Riverdale High School has the International Baccalaureate Program. We have FGCU dual enrollment, AP classes. We have the Business Academy, Teacher Academy, Agricultural Academy, JROTC, and many more. If athletics is your thing, Riverdale High School is the only school in this zone to offer all varsity level sports. So again, whatever it is you want to get involved with and whatever you want to find at high school, Riverdale High School offers it. So let's take a few minutes, have you watch the video and take a virtual tour of everything we have here to offer at Riverdale High School. Thank you, future Raiders, for taking a few minutes to get a snapshot of your school. Remember, if you have any questions at all, please contact us here at the school. Again, future Raiders, if there's anything at all that you want to be successful at and achieve at the high school level, please remember, you can here.